The world's longest cave system, Mammoth Cave in Kentucky, spans over 420 miles. Many caves contain incredible speleothems like stalactites and stalagmites formed by dripping water. Cave ecosystems are unique, harboring creatures that have adapted to perpetual darkness and scarce food. Some caves are volcanic lava tubes, formed by flowing lava cooling and solidifying on the outside. The deepest known cave, Krubera Cave in Georgia, plunges over 7,200 feet underground. Ice caves are stunning, formed by water freezing inside the cave structure, creating glaciers. Glowworm caves, like those in New Zealand, are illuminated by bioluminescent larvae on the ceilings. Ancient humans used caves for shelter, creating incredible cave paintings and rock art thousands of years ago. Submerged blue holes are underwater caves, often circular, revealing ancient sea levels. Caves play a vital role in groundwater systems, acting as natural filtration and storage reservoirs.